Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 3 best coffee maker 2025. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Espresso Machine, Luxe Cafe Premier Series, Drip Coffee Maker and Rapid Cold Brew, Integrated Grinder, Assisted Tamper, Hands-Free Frother, for cappuccinos and lattes, dairy or non-dairy, ES601. Brand Ninja. Color Silver. Product dimensions 12.99 inch dx 13.39 wx 14.57h. Special feature auto shut-off, dishwasher safe parts, timer, milk frother, programmable. Coffee maker type espresso machine. Capacity 4.4 pounds. Material stainless steel. Wattage 1650 watts. Voltage 120. 3 machines IN1, brew without limits with no guesswork espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, and rapid cold brew. 2 espresso styles, double shot or quad shot, 3 drip coffee styles, classic, rich or over ice, and 2 cold brew styles, cold pressed espresso or cold brew coffee. Barista Assist technology, unlock the ultimate guided experience with customized grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and active brew adjustments for temperature and pressure for balanced flavor. Deliver cafe-quality brews, no guesswork required. Integrated grinder, the conical burr grinder has 25 grind settings to deliver a fresh, precise grind for versatile drink options for every type of bean. Weight-based dosing, different drinks require different amounts of grounds. Our built-in scale does the work for you with weight-based dosing tailored for your chosen drink. Other machines simply grind for a set amount of time, and you need to manually weigh your grounds. Machine. Capacity 14 cups. Material stainless steel, glass. Item weight 4.54 g. Wattage 1100 watts. Enjoy hotter coffee. Utilize expert coffee making technology to ensure your coffee temperature is perfect, delivering a delightful taste experience without compromising flavor or quality. Brew strength control, tailor your coffee flavor to perfection by choosing between regular or bold settings, catering to your unique taste preferences with every brew. Fully automatic coffee brewer, experience convenience with 24-hour programmability, offering flexibility with 1 to 4 cup settings, auto-off functionality, 0 to 4 hours, and an optional ready alert tone for added convenience. 14-cup glass carafe, indulge in generous servings of coffee with a sleek glass carafe featuring a decorative stainless steel handle and matching body, creating a stylish addition to complement your kitchen appliances. Fill with ease, enjoy accurate water filling through the easy-to-view water window, while Cuisinart's Brew Pause feature allows you to savor a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle completes, enhancing your coffee drinking experience. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker. With easy on-off switch, easy pour, non-drip carafe with removable filter basket, Vortex technology, black. Brand BLACK+DECKER. Color black. Product dimensions 11 inch dx 8.2 wx 12.2h. Special feature timer, permanent filter, programmable. Coffee maker type drip coffee machine. Capacity 12 cups. Material glass, plastic. Item weight 3.7 pounds. Wattage 900 watts. Vortex technology, the exclusive showerhead design evenly saturates coffee grounds, resulting in rich flavor extraction for maximum flavor. Sneak a cup, this feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee, allowing you to pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. Be sure to return carafe to the keep hot plate within 30 seconds to avoid overflow, and brewing will resume. NO drip perfect pour spout, don't put up with annoying spills. The carafe spout on this coffee maker is designed to prevent spills and drips while pouring. Removable filter basket, cleanup is easy with the dishwasher-safe brew basket, which is compatible with basket-style paper filters. Keep hot carafe plate, the heated carafe plate keeps coffee in the 12-cup carafe at the ideal drinking temperature after brewing. Refer to your user guide for more brewing techniques. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.